Hi, this is me just giving you a bit of ideas of my motivation for your review, what I thought of it. I think, first of all, it's nicely written. You follow basically all the things that I advised, so you will be seeing that in a minute. Just a couple of small things. If you can probably see, this is the wrong suggestion, of course, and that is because you didn't put this in commas, so in the trailer. So then there is refers to kiss, and so it wouldn't show this weird mistake by the correcting tool. Here I believe you mean a series, not serious, because that's something else. So this would be a series of cannibalistic murders. Then mental glow, I would say a major mental growth, maybe mental growth. Glowing is a bit strange word use here. Relieve, yeah, this is always reversed, so you get the E and then the I, so should just be other way around. I think you mean by money lusting men. I wonder if money lusting really is the phrase that Americans, British people use. So money hungry could be more. Lusting is more indeed sexual. Power hungry, maybe. Okay, so I highlighted this because you use it twice, so you repeat this here as well. So I read the same sentence twice. So you got the jump, and then it also is used here. So I think it belongs in this paragraph more than it does here. Well, anyway. Yeah, cannot be taken seriously. So just to be taken, you've got the auxiliary verb here. Rest is okay for me. Revolting means really that you. I think it's more about revolution, not revolts. Revolting, especially that means that you find it not good, bad. Revolting is something like that. So you don't like it. You think it's not good anyway. But I think being revolution, it's more to do with revolutionizing. So last year's fair has been revolutionized, maybe. A revolt is different than indeed revolting. Then between the two main characters, probably, so just an S. But overall, like you can see here in the screening, it's very well written. Love the argumentation. It's all there. You don't spoil the plot, thank God. So this is really good. I put this vocabulary between those two. Yeah, you have a very wide range of vocabulary, but sometimes some odd pickings. Maybe good to always check dictionary entries and really kind of recheck some of the words. Other than that, really love the piece. So well done.